Hi, welcome back. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do the single crochet stitch as well as the single crochet increase and the single crochet decrease. The single crochet stitch is used in so many projects, especially anything that requires a tight weave, either to hold in stuffing or to just keep it a tighter knit so that little fingers can't poke through it. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and prepped a little piece to work off of today. To do the single crochet, if you're working in a flat piece, usually you're going to be chaining up one, and then go ahead and insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. That is a single crochet, so fairly straightforward. Again, it's insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So that's a single crochet, just a regular plain single crochet stitch. Now I'm going to show how the single crochet increase works. For a single crochet increase, all you're doing is putting 2 single crochets into that same stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then in that same stitch, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So as you can see there, we have 2 single crochets in that same stitch. So anytime you're coming across a pattern that says to do a single crochet increase, this is what it's talking about. Just put 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now for a single crochet decrease, it's a little bit different. You're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull it back through. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Go ahead and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. This is our single crochet decrease. So as you can see at the bottom, we have part of the stitch in 1 stitch here and 1 stitch here, but at the top you only have 1 stitch. So when you come back on the next row, you're not going to have 2 stitches there, you'll just have 1. So again, single crochet decrease, you're inserting your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And that is the single crochet decrease. If you have any questions on this stitch or any other stitches that you'd like to see tutorials on in the future, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.